everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a beautiful flower art easy. So let's draw it. This flower is somewhat unique. Draw it freely and this is somewhat enjoyable, and these flowers are so much easy and suitable for beginners, kids and all people who love art. Draw with me. And here, this flower art is somewhat unique but beautiful. I draw few flowers like this. Take your time and draw freely. And here, add some parts like this. And here also one flower. Here also. And when we draw, don't worry about small mistakes. Okay? Drawing should be relaxing and enjoyable. So, let's draw it freely. Don't think so much about them. And here also, here we draw small leaves like this. And here also, finally I add one flower like this. So this is our flower art. Let's color it. I normally use color pencils for color my arts. First I use yellow color. And after that I add red color like this as few lines, and here red color as a deep layer, and this flower also has same yellow color, and after that I add red color. I hope this is so much easy but beautiful, and simple things can be very beautiful. All flowers like this. This color combination is so much beautiful and they are so much match. And here, and these all are, I add yellow color as a deep layer. Take your time and do it freely. And we add red color like this here. If you like another colors, you can use also. It may be dark blue and light blue, or red and pink color like that. At here I use light green, and here also light green. Here I use light blue. So this is our final art. Let me know what you would like to see next.